not a whole lot of juice left. we also barely made it here. There was like 6 miles left of range on my gas tank. That's the lowest I've ever gone. But we came to ride this morning, and ride we did. We went out to Elk Grove Powersports here in Elk Grove, California, hoping to ride the Rocket 3. We did not, because the Rocket 3 is not on the truck anymore. Something happened to it. It was the most popular bike. Who knows? But it's not on the truck, so if you are interested in riding the Rocket 3, it might not be there, even though it's advertised on the Triumph website. What is also not there is the Street Triple. So there's the Daytona and pretty much everything else, I believe. But yeah, I just kind of wanted to. This is a hype video. No, so this is a video basically to say probably through the end of the year, because we rode 5 different bikes, and we will release a video a week, just to say keep an eye on the channel. If this is your first time here on the channel, which I don't know why you would watch this video, because yeah, this is just strictly a motovlog. We're going to talk till the camera dies. Probably we'll talk and the camera will die, and I'll still be talking. But yeah, that's kind of how we do things here. So welcome, T.O.Gs. If you're T.O.Gs, you're that one guy supporter, that one guy subscriber, so I appreciate you. Thanks for stopping by. Yeah, so what we do on this channel often is we go out to demo rides when they're close by, and we try and hit up as many brands as we can. We just did Honda not too long ago, which the only bike I was able to ride in the amount of time that I was out there was the Goldwing, which is cool because I've never always wanted to ride the Goldwing. So we rode the Goldwing at the Honda demo, and then shortly after we went to the BMW demo and was able to ride 3 different bikes, but only 2 of those bikes ended up getting videos because we didn't have any sound. And just checking my sound cord here, we didn't have any sound.
Flashback.
Sound. Usually there's at least like a weird buzz sound that comes through when my cord is not plugged in all the way. My cord was plugged in, so I don't know what happened. But yeah, we got a new camera, so we can probably talk about that a little bit in this video, other than the fact that there are lots of videos of bikes that I have either not ridden before, or it's been a long time since I've ridden them. So yeah, Triumph, we've got the T100, we've got the Speedmaster, we rode the Scrambler 1200, we rode the Speed Twin, and then also we rode the Daytona 660. So lots of videos on the way. Hope that you'll stick around and subscribe and come back and see me to check those test rides out. But yeah, we got a new camera. We were having problems recently this summer with my GoPro Hero 10 overheating, and the video would either freeze, and then I would lose a whole bunch of footage. So the thought had crossed my mind that I think it's the DJI Action 5 camera has the best heat rating, and so I thought about switching over, but really I have too much invested in GoPro already as far as cameras and batteries, and really for the value of it, I just would have been spending so much more money on the DJI Osmo, or the DJI Action 5, that it wasn't worth it for me to switch. So we have the brand new GoPro Hero 13 Black. Has we got the max view, the max mod version for a good deal, because you know I love my deals, and I will let you know when there's a deal out there that I see. Try to give you guys a heads up. But yeah, this is shaking like crazy. Hopefully it doesn't look that way to you guys. Yeah, the DJI Action 5 was probably the best. It had the best rankings as far as heat ratings. Some crazy like 120 degrees that it could still operate under. But for me, like I said, I have so many GoPro chargers, so many GoPro mounts. I know that the DJI Action probably is compatible with my GoPro mounts, but I would have had to have bought a whole set of batteries, for me, it's just like I've been invested with GoPro for so long, and I've had good success, except for this recent overheating problem. So we went with the 13 black. If this gives me problems, even though this is supposed to be the GoPro with the best heat resistance, we will probably try something else, and it'll probably be the DJI Action, whatever version is out at the time. Yeah, I've been so happy with this camera so far. The view angle actually is even wider than the max view, not for this camera, this is the 7, but for my Hero 10 black, which is my rear mounted camera on the BMW R12 that I just bought. The GoPro Hero 10 with the max mod has a wide viewing angle. This one's even wider, and obviously, like, the GoPro cameras are so good, even for all the way back to the 7, which is this camera here. They're so good with the stabilization, because you can't probably see it in the video, but you can see this probably shaking around. This isn't shaking around so much as long as I keep it in 5th gear. We drop it down to 6, it wants to shake. Yeah, which is not ideal. So we'll keep it in 5th for the sake of recording. We're probably getting to the end of life on this camera. But yeah, I've been loving this camera. I've been a big fan of GoPro ever since I started using them, all the way back to the Hero 5. My channel's been up for 8 years. For over 8 years, I've been making videos. So leave it in the comments if you're somebody who's been watching my videos for a long time. Obviously, I appreciate all of you, but I have my favorites, and my favorites are the ones who have been watching me for 8 years. No, that's not true. I appreciate all of you. We've been riding Mike's bikes. I've had several different bikes over the life of this channel. What's funny is that we had the KTM Super Duke 1290R for 5 years, and I've had this channel for 8 years. So that can tell you about how much I change bikes. But what I will say is we just bought the R12, the BMW, the 2024. It's like a brand new bike. It has less than 500 miles on it still. That bike's going to be in the garage for a long time. This one I'm trying to sell, but like when we go on the highway, it's hard to want to ride the R12 on the highway over this bike, mostly because I still have yet to put my other engine guard. I bought an engine guard from SW Motec, and they sent me 2 left side crash bars, and so I haven't been able to finish the job. I haven't been able to put both of them on, so that's really why I didn't ride the R12 today. But yeah, this bike is more comfortable on the highway anyway. We got the windshield and the hand guards and the heated grips, and it was pretty cold this morning, so yeah, it's nice to have this bike for these purposes, and we will miss it. It's been a fun bike. Maybe we'll get a chance. It just depends on timing and what I have going on, because my schedule is always super busy. But if we have a chance, I will take this bike on it, like maybe its last voyage, and we'll take it maybe to a scenic place, or maybe stay to do an overnight trip. I'm no Amanda Zitto, so I won't be camping. I'll probably end up staying like at a hotel. But yeah, it would be cool to do a long trip. One more last hurrah on the multi-strada before it gets sold. And if you are watching this video and there's a link in the description for this bike, it's listing, check it out. It's been super reliable, knock on wood. It's had an oil change recently. It's had its Desmo service back at 22,000 miles, so we've only ridden this bike for like 1,500 miles since the Desmo service, so it's not due for a long time. So if that's one of your concerns about buying a Ducati, which it was for me, it's one less thing you have to worry about. So anyway, we're out here riding. We're in Sacramento this afternoon, just enjoying. It's a beautiful day here in early fall. It's like 70 degrees outside, 71. Yeah, so it's beautiful today. I'm just happy to be out here riding. We rode all morning on 5 different bikes. Yeah, life is good. So I appreciate you guys joining me on this trip. If you had fun with me today and you're excited for those Triumph test drive videos to come out, make sure you hit that thumbs up down there, which is the like button. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button. Everybody, if you're out there riding, please be safe. Be kind to one another. My name is Eric. I'm that one guy, and I am out.